Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a technical drawing of an assembly. You will learn how to create a bill of materials, balloon annotation. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to create a technical drawing of the exploded view. Let me close it. Go to the technical drawing workbench. Then create a new page and select a template. Open it. Next, select this exploded view and insert it. For the direction, let's select the camera view and next modify the scale to custom. Here let me try 2/3. Not bad. Click OK. Then go to the page and select the reference lines. Then go to Edit Line Appearance and go to the Style, choose Hidden. Then modify the weight to 0.2. If you want to hide these lines, you can go to Visible and choose False. Then click OK. Let me adjust the position of this view and go back to the assembly and modify the workbench to assembly. You can create a BOM directly and I will leave the options. Click OK. Then you will find the new BOM sheet. The total assembly is included. If you don't want it, you can go back. Before using this tool, you need to activate the assembly. Or go to the feature tree, double-click on it. Then create a BOM, and I will explain the options later. Click OK. There you will see the assembly is not in it. Now we have 5 columns, and I'm going to delete the description and the file name. Go to the bill of materials. If you don't find the task panel, move the cursor to the edge. Then toggle it overlay. Then select the description, delete it, and show it the file name. Then click OK. Next, let's insert this BOM into the page. Go to the technical drawing workbench and select the BOM. Go to Insert View. Then you will see there is a new sheet in this page. Select it and you will find the cell start and the cell end under it. Here, let me close the first BOM. We are using the second one. And find the end cell number. Then go to the page, modify the cell end to C6 and move it. Modify the scale to 1.5. Then go back to the BOM and go to the task panel. Next, I'm going to use a quick example to explain the configurations. Let me open this file. In this assembly, we have a total assembly and a sub-assembly, and a part with a tube in it. Let's activate this one and create a BOM. Check the first box. It will add children of sub-assembly. Then click OK. You will see the body in the assembly and the sub-assembly and the part. Then the tubes and the part are not in the table. So let's go back to the BOM setting. Check the second box. It will add the children in the parts. Click OK. Then you will see the tubes are included. Next, let's try the third one. It only add part and sub-assembly. Okay. So in generally, we check the first box. Now let's continue for the project and add a column. Then you can add a column that we deleted before and add a custom column. Select this one. We are going to add a material column and make the box filled automatically. To make it auto-filled, adding a dot before the name. Click OK. Here the materials are filled in the column, except the bracket is not available. It's because I added the materials manually for these 4 objects. So I will take the bracket as a case to show you how to add a property to the part. Let's go to the multibody and select the bracket. Then move the cursor on the blank space in date, right-click and add a property. And name it material, same as the column title. And the group, keep it in the base. The type, you can choose the property string or input it here. And set a material in the value box. Add it, then close the window. Then go to the BOM. It's not updated yet. Refresh it. Sometimes it's not updated after we refresh it. You can go to the multibody and save the file. Then refresh or right-click on the BOM and recompute it. Then you can go to the page and modify the cell end of the BOM sheet. Modify it to D6. Okay, but here we cannot adjust the position of the text in the sheet. Then let's go to the BOM and go to the spreadsheet workbench. If you try to align the text in the center, it doesn't work. So let's copy this BOM. Then create a new spreadsheet and open it. Next, paste the BOM in this spreadsheet. Then we can align all the text in the middle and adjust the column width and make the text bold and delete this dot for the material title. Then go back to the technical drawing page. You can delete or hide the previous BOM. And select the spreadsheet. Go to Technical Drawing Workbench. Insert a view. Select this sheet. Modify the end cell to D6. And modify the scale to 1.5. And adjust the position. OK. Finally, let's add the balloon annotation. Select the view and go to the toolbar. Select a balloon annotation. You can add following the BOM sequence or add all the balloon, then modify the number. Let me follow the index and continue to add others. If you find the next balloon added on the previous one, you can return and select the body, then add the balloon. Next, let's adjust the position for all the balloon annotations. And you can select the balloon, modify the text. Or if you want to make it connected with the BOM index, go to the text expression edit. And first input the BOM name. Then go to the BOM, find the cell number. And input A2. Then you can see the result is 1. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you found this is helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in the next one.